Do you believe in passion? Have you ever felt that you've come into this world with a purpose? For me, my purpose is very simple. It's the joy I feel when I see someone walk into a space that I've designed and making it their own. That's what passion for me. It's the moment when someone walks into a space and says, "Oh, this is where I want to spend the rest of my life." Good morning, dear Deepthi ma'am, Amit sir, and all my dear friends. I'm Manuni Patel, and I've been following that passion for the last 8.5 years. And today I'm going to talk on the topic my work, my passion, how I have trained in it, what I have achieved in it, and what are my future goals. I'm an architect and I love going to work every day, knowing that I'm creating something that is adding value to someone's life. It all started with my 6-year journey at CEPT University. That's where my belief in design really took shape. During my last semester, 8 of us, passionate bunch, slightly naive best friends, decided that we wanted to create something meaningful for the betterment of the society and create meaningful spaces. That's where my firm, Architecture Compartment S4, was born. We didn't know everything back then, but we learned very fast. As a kid, looking back as a kid, every summer I used to be in drawing and painting classes. I used to draw on sketchbooks, scribble on drawing boards, and join any art competition that I could find. And when it was time to choose a career, architecture just felt right. In 2017, Compartment S4 came to life with 8 of us from the same batch. Can you guess our first project? It's the Shankar's Ice Cream Library on Sindhu Bhavan Road. If you haven't been, please do visit it. I'm going to share a story how we got that project. So we used to go to Shankar's stall and we used to eat ice cream and tease the owner. Why are you in this stall? You should buy a store. You have so much potential. We are designers and we would love to design your shop. We didn't know that he would. But one day when we submitted our thesis, we got a call from him. He said that, "Oh, I've just bought a store and I would love you guys to design it." And we were over the moon and we eventually pulled it off. That's how we eventually made around 50 projects, homes, restaurants, cafes, offices, a lot of public spaces all across India and for clients abroad. Apart from all the commercial projects, we also did a lot of social impact work, building Anganwadis, public toilets and community spaces all across villages in India. We partnered with UNICEF and Feeding India to promote 100 Anganwadis across districts in Maharashtra. There were a lot of big highs too. We won an international competition called the Resilient Homes Design Challenge, and we were the only Indian team to represent at the World Bank in Washington DC, UN Habitat in New York, and an exhibition in Geneva, Switzerland. Two of our projects also got nominated for the Aga Khan Award for Architecture. That was like an Oscar moment for us. But beyond the awards, it's the moment when someone walks into a space I've designed and comments or share a review with me that, "Manuni, this house is so beautiful. Oh, I love this cafe. You've done an amazing job." Those sort of comments stay with me. That's what success is for me. So in the next 10 years, I just don't want to grow my firm. I want to create spaces that bring people together, whether it's a tiny cafe or a large public space. I want to create spaces where everybody can come together, and I believe in this line: leave a space better than you found it. I believe in this line. Everybody says, choose a job that you love and you'll never have to work a day in your life. I chose mine, and maybe someday you'll walk into a space I've designed and say, "Oh, this feels like home." Thank you.